Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, we are going to continue our playlist on NLP. And today we are going to discuss about how to remove the punctuations from the text. Okay. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay. So let's begin our topic. So this is the topic, guys, which we are going to discuss to remove the punctuations from the text. Punctuations, just rename this. Okay, so punctuation means, like, basically, like there are so many punctuations. Like if you check into your keyboard, you can see at, hash, dollar, percentage, caret, and you can see many other punctuations like ampersand, star, and all. Okay, suppose if you want to know what all punctuations are there, means what you can do is like string dot punctuations, and if you try to run this particular cell, module string has no attribute punctuations. Okay, we'll try to import string and we'll see what are the punctuations are there. Okay, so these are all the punctuations, and suppose let's take an example, like we'll just take a what's up, buddy. Okay, and suppose if I want to continue, how are you feeling today? Okay, see here you can see so many punctuations like question mark, and here you can see an exclamation mark. Okay, so there are so many other punctuations like comma and all. Okay. Suppose if you want to remove all these punctuations, means like, we'll see like how to do that. We'll take an example, just put it hash quotes. Okay, so now let's see, define a function, define remove punctuation from the text. So here what we'll do is like we are removing the punctuation from the text. Okay, so what we'll do is like we'll use a translator which will remove the punctuations, make trans so here we'll use string dot punctuation. Okay, so now we'll try to return it, remove text dot translate of translator. So now what we'll do is like we'll try to give some input text or input sentence or input string. So here what I will do is like here input underscore sentence, here I will try to give some sentence having some punctuations. So what I will do is like, hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, buddy? How are you feeling now? Okay, so this is the input sentence which has some punctuations like exclamation, and it's having comma, again question mark, and we'll try to add some more sentence or some more text having some punctuations, like here I will try to add want some dollars. In the bracket I will give dollar. Okay, so now what we'll do is like we'll remove punctuation from this input sentence. See here, input sentence means you can give anything. You can take this one also. Hey, what's up buddy, how are you feeling today? How are you here? But here what I have added, hey, what's up buddy, how are you feeling now, do you want some dollars? Okay, now we'll try to run this particular cell. So here you can see the final sentence or the final output. Hey, what's up buddy, how are you feeling now, do you want some dollars? Okay, so this is the sentence which is completely free from all the punctuations. Okay, see first what we have done is we have inputted the string. So string dot punctuation means here you can see all types of punctuations which are available in the keyboard, and here we just saw what are the punctuations, and here we have defined the function to remove the punctuations from the text. Finally we have run this particular function, and which is having some input sentence, and finally we are getting the output which is completely free from all the punctuations. Okay, so that's all about this particular video guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.